Guys, it's Jen from SS Designs Couture. Today I wanted to come on and show you a real quick tea towel set that I made using the beautiful made from scratch 4-piece transfer set. I picked up these tea towels from Amazon.com. Unfortunately, Chalk Couture does not offer tea towels at this time, although we do have some really cute bags, pillowcases, boards, and of course our couture boards and more. So this is one piece of the 4-piece transfer. When you get it, you can cut it right up the middle, or of course, as always, you can leave it as one, but these are made to be separated and used. So of course, I'm going to mark the back. I marked the back of the transfer so that way when I am done cleaning it, I know which side of the backer sheet to put the transfer back on. This one's so adorable, isn't it? It says, "Cook, Pray, Eat." And I simply love it. I made this set for my mother-in-law and it just fits in perfectly in her house. So I'm going to be using the Couture ink in black. And I'm just going to apply it the same way I apply paste. We're going to apply a liberal amount all over the silk screen and the transfer. And then when we're all done with that, we're just going to scrape it right back up and put it right back in the jar and save it for later. You can use any of our inks for this process. Since it is an apparel item, because it's made from cotton, I do want to heat set it to make it permanent. That way I can put it in the washer and have no problems with it later. Then I'm going to grab this transfer. I'm going to peel it right off. Next you will see me heat set it with my heat gun. The reason I do this is that I want all of that ink to dry before I put parchment paper over it and then permanently set it with my heat press. If you don't have a heat press, you can go ahead and use an iron. If you do have a heat press, I use it at 350 degrees for 20 seconds. Since I made 2 of these tea towels, I'm going to speed up the process a little bit more and just show you that second one that I made using another one of the 4-piece set out of that same made from scratch transfer. Here you'll see me position that repositionable, reusable silkscreen transfer. I do wash these up after I'm done using them, and then I dry them off, put them right back on the backer, and I can get about 8 to 12 uses out of them. The ink is good for about 6 months, however you can use it longer. Same thing goes for our paste. It is water soluble and you can add water to our paste and mix it back up if it dries out. All of our ink does need to be heat set in order to make it permanent. However, once you have the heat set, you can wash it and use it again and again and again. Thanks for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed and have a great night.